Hey Year 12, we're back again, and now we are looking at graphing linear functions. Now, we have done these perhaps with the table of values before. We talked about this in class, where you plot those points, draw a line through them. Right, we don't do that this time, or not exactly like that. Right, we want to start with an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the gradient, b is the y-intercept. Right, and we are going to use those features to graph these. So, what we do is, we begin with the y-intercept. Right? In this case, the y-intercept is 1, so I place a point here. Right, that's the y-intercept of 1. Now, I know the gradient is 2. That means when I go across 1, I go up 2. So let's try that. Across 1, up 2. Right? Now, don't know what's happened there. Hang on. Across 1, up 2. Now I've got 2 points. If I draw a straight line between them, straight line, sort of, we're done. Okay? Right. We start off with the y-intercept, and then we mark out the gradient. Gives us 2 points to draw a straight line through them. Let's try that again here with example 2. Y-intercept is 3, so we put a point here at 3. Now my gradient this time is -4, so I go across 1 and down 4. That's going to take us to here. And I draw a straight line between them. This would be a good opportunity to use a ruler. I do not have a ruler, and that makes it a little bit harder, but that's what I would suggest. Okay, just for good luck, here's one more to have a look at. This time, it's a little bit different. This time my y-intercept is -4. Great, that's here. There's -4. This time my gradient is 2/3. That means I go across 1, I go up 2/3. Well, that would also mean if I went across 2, I go up 4/3. If I went across 3, I'd go up 6/3, which we know is 2. So, that's probably a better idea. Let's put them in there. And that gives me a y-intercept of -4 and a gradient of 2/3. Righto, that's all there is to graphing equations like this. I hope that you copy these things down and have some questions for me in class. Now, just a quick heads up, a little bit of administration. The next section here in the notes is linear modelling. Look, to be honest, we've had a few videos for this section. We've been through all of these things. Please certainly read through the notes, copy down the examples, but I won't make a video for these. Following on from this is direct variation, which we will in fact cover much later in the year, or in fact late next year. So we're not going to be doing that either. The next thing that I need you to be looking at is the intersection of lines, which we'll be working on in class on Tuesday. So make sure you check out that video before Tuesday's class, the intersection of lines, and make sure you catch up with all of your work. Okay, good work, Year 12. See you then.